Over the past 20 years, Outdoorsmans has had one goal: to outfit hunters with the highest quality products possible. Meeting, and dare we say exceeding that goal, would not have been possible without our partners at Rim Country Manufacturing. From day one, they have been pivotal in the development and manufacturing of Outdoorsman's tripods, parts, and accessories. Without their knowledge of machining and engineering, we wouldn't be able to say, with confidence, that our parts cannot and will not be beat. So here's to RCM, here's to the Outdoorsmans, and here's to the next 20 years.